pharmacy students get government job?
Yes, qualified pharmacists can work in government hospitals, public health departments, armed medical services, railways, regulatory agencies, and also as a drug inspector after meeting eligibility requirements. And also you can apply in the civil services such as UPSC, APC.
Sir, what about the opportunities in Assam and the Northeast?
Okay, see, the healthcare sector in Northeast is expanding rapidly. So recently, new companies like Sun Pharma, Ajanta, Cipla, they came in Northeast, and new hospitals are being established in Guwahati and all over Northeast. And the healthcare startups and all the public health programs are creating increasing demand for skilled pharmacy professionals. So in Northeast, I think it is a great opportunity for the students to have their career in healthcare sectors.
Ma'am, we actually wanted to know that can pharmacy graduates build their own business?
Absolutely. After fulfilling statutory requirements, a pharmacy graduate can establish retail as well as wholesale pharmacies, work in a pharmaceutical distribution, or become entrepreneur in the healthcare sectors. So, pharmacy isn't just a degree, it's a gateway to the healthcare innovations, research, entrepreneurship, and public service. Begin your journey towards a rewarding healthcare career with RIPSR.